Hello friends, ever wanted to build your own calculator right from scratch? Well, get ready to level up your C++ skills. I'm your host, Sahil, and I'm super excited to dive into this code adventure together. Let's start with the basics. This code includes the IOStream header, which is like a toolbox for input and output operations. It also uses the std namespace to make things more convenient, like calling functions without lengthy introductions. The main function is where the magic happens. It's like the heart of code. It starts by declaring variables to store the operator, numbers, and results. Next, the code prompts the user to enter an operator and two numbers. It's like having a conversation with the calculator, telling it what you want to do. Now, the code uses a series of if-else statements to check the operator and perform the corresponding calculation. Imagine a set of decision-making crossroads, each leading to a different mathematical operation. First we use if condition for addition operator. Now we use else if condition for subtraction operator. Again we use else if condition for multiplication operator. Now for the division operator we do similarly from above, but there is one condition.